Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Google Chrome for your PC using the new update. If you've been looking to browse the web in your preferred language, or want Chrome's menus and settings to switch to another language, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and easy. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. When you enter the Settings page, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Languages. This is where all of Chrome's language options can be managed. Now click the button that says Add Languages. A window will appear with a list of available languages. Take your time to find and select the language you want to use. After selecting it, click Add to confirm. Once you've added your new language, you'll see it appear in the list of languages. To make Chrome display in this new language, find the one you just added and click the 3 dots next to it. From the options that appear, choose Display Google Chrome in this language. After you make this selection, Chrome will prompt you to restart the browser so the changes can take effect. Click Relaunch or Close and reopen the browser manually. Once Chrome restarts, the interface, menus, and settings will appear in the new language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully updated the language on Google Chrome with just a few clicks. Whether you want to practice a new language or simply prefer your native one, Chrome's flexibility makes browsing the web much more personal and easy to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to try changing your Chrome language today. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference for your browsing experience.